Before I was diagnosed with PBC, I had never heard of the condition. And I was just so grateful that the doctor I had could take me on this journey. We did it together, holding hands. I think the best thing is when you're diagnosed with PBC is to hope that your doctor, your consultant will give you the PBC Foundation's information. If not, find it out for yourself. It's on the websites, and therefore you will meet people who really know about PBC, and you will meet what I call PBC sisters and brothers who you can chat to and realise you belong to a family now. You're not on your own.